Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to rotate screen in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to rotate your phone screen, auto rotate screen setting friends you want to use. So how to rotate screen one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to rotate screen, how to use screen rotate setting. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, click here Infinix mobile display brightness setting. After on display brightness setting, friends click here auto rotate screen setting. After turn on auto rotate screen, and friends click here, and friends you want to rotate your phone screen, so friends you can rotate and screen will rotate automatic, and you can use screen rotate setting in your device. So friends, screen will rotate automatic. Friends, you can see screen will show this interface. And friends, if we off your screen rotate setting, so friends your screen will not rotate automatic. Friends, you can check, you can try. The screen will not rotate automatic. So like that friends, you can on auto rotate screen setting, and you can use, and friends you want to on auto rotate with shortcut setting. So friends, search, click here search option, auto setting, auto rotate screen setting. Friends, click here, and direct friends you can on auto rotate from here, and you can rotate your mobile screen. Open your any app friends, you can on example friends I will on Google app, and friends you can see screen will rotate automatic. So like that friends, we can use screen rotate settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video, and friends you don't want to use, you can turn off from here. Bye friends.